What if you could see a doctor from your couch in minutes? The surprising truth is that telehealth is changing healthcare, and Amwell is one of the biggest names in the space. Amwell is a virtual healthcare platform that connects you with licensed doctors, therapists, and specialists through video calls. It covers general medical visits, mental health, urgent care, and even chronic condition management. When I tested Amwell, the process was simple. You create an account, choose a provider type, describe your symptoms, and schedule a visit. In many cases, you can talk to a doctor within minutes. Most people get this wrong, but here's why telehealth saves time and money. You avoid travel, waiting rooms, and long appointment delays. Amwell accepts many insurance plans, and without insurance, visits are usually priced lower than in-person urgent care. The app is easy to use, and appointments feel private and secure. However, telehealth is not for emergencies or complex physical exams. It works best for common issues like colds, skin conditions, anxiety, or prescription refills. If you want fast, convenient healthcare access, Amwell is a strong option. Subscribe for more honest service reviews.